Hi, in this video, I'll show you how coaches can register multiple teams using the same account. First, enter the URL displayed on your screen into your web browser. This will take you to the ICPC Amritapuri registration portal. Click the Register Team button to get started. Enter the registered email address and password associated with your coach account. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. After signing in, you will be redirected to the Create Team page. On the Create Team page, fill in all the required details, including the institution name, team name, and the registered email addresses of all 3 team members. Once you've entered the required information, review the details carefully, accept the declaration by checking the box and click Register Team. To complete the payment process, please watch the payment tutorial linked in the video description or by clicking the I button. To view the teams you've already registered, click on the My Teams option. This page displays the list of all teams. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.